everyone. Today we're going to talk about differentiators. That's those unique qualities that set your business apart from the competition. We'll also discuss how to effectively incorporate them into your brand messaging. Ready to make your business stand out? Let's get started. So why are differentiators important? In a crowded marketplace, it's crucial to have clear, compelling reasons why customers should choose your business over others. Differentiators highlight your unique value and create a strong identity for your brand. First, define your unique selling proposition or USP. This is a concise statement that summarizes what makes your business unique and why it's the best choice. Your USP should be clear, specific, and focus on the benefits that you offer. For example, if you run an eco-friendly cleaning service, your unique selling proposition might be providing top quality cleaning with environmentally safe products for a healthier home and planet. Second, showcase unique features and benefits. Identify what sets your products or services apart and emphasize these points in your brand messaging. This could be anything from superior technology, exceptional customer service, or exclusive products or innovative solutions. Use clear, engaging language to explain why these features matter and how they benefit your customers. Third, highlight customer success stories. Real-world examples of how your business has made a difference can be powerful differentiators. Showcase testimonials, case studies, and reviews to build credibility and trust. Seeing actual results and positive experiences helps potential customers understand the value that you bring. Fourth, incorporate differentiators in all marketing channels. Consistently highlight what makes your business unique across your website, social media, advertising, and promotional materials. This reinforces your brand message and keeps it top of mind for your audience. Consistency is key to ensuring that your differentiators are recognized and remembered. In summary, differentiators help define your unique selling proposition, showcase unique features, highlight customer success stories, and ensure consistent messaging across all channels. They're essential for making your business stand out in a competitive market. So start identifying and promoting your differentiators today to boost your brand's appeal and success. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more business and marketing tips. Thanks for watching.